Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week is part 2 of our kitchen styling series, where we share our ideas for designing welcoming, stylish and functional kitchens. Today we're focusing on Luxe-style kitchens. We've put a link to part 1 in the description box below. Luxe-style kitchens are glamorous, contemporary and refined. The Luxe Kitchen colour palette features a foundation of crisp light neutrals and may be complemented by deeper hues of charcoal grey, navy blue, chocolate brown, deep greens and touches of black. Alternatively, keep the colour palette monochromatic, adding intentional touches of lustre through mixed metals of gold, copper, chrome, polished nickel or bronze for fixtures, lighting, faucets and hardware. Materials and finishes. Luxe-style kitchens feature premium materials such as marble, granite, high-gloss lacquer, mirrored surfaces, glass, mosaic ceramic tiles and exotic woods. Calcutta, Carrara and Statuario are popular marble varieties known for their beautiful veining patterns. Opt for metals that feature a polished or glossy finish to enhance the upscale aesthetic. As mentioned before, these include stainless steel, polished brass or nickel, brushed silver, chrome and gold. For elegance, utilise high-end materials for the splashback and countertops, such as marble, soapstone or luxury tiles. Pay consideration to smaller details such as intricate patterns or veining, or a waterfall countertop edge for added visual interest. Next, invest in high-quality, custom-made cabinetry with sleek and sophisticated designs, such as dark-stained woods or glossy lacquer finishes. These may feature minimalistic mouldings, partial glass fronts, beautiful wood veneers and inset designs. Lastly, install custom pantry systems such as pull-out drawers, integrated hidden appliances and other built-in storage solutions. Hardware. Luxe hardware features ornate details such as crystal knobs or sleek handles in high-gloss finishes. Designs include straight, half moon, hexagonal, ridged, or streamlined inset campaign styles. To maintain the high-end feel, flooring ideas include classic marble tiles, polished concrete, large porcelain tiles or mosaic-style flooring, terrazzo flooring, and richly grained dark brown or grey wash hardwood flooring in herringbone or chevron designs. Lighting and window treatments. Enhance the luxe feel with statement lighting fixtures. Ideas include a contemporary branching chandelier, glass and metal pendants, or sleek cone-shaped pendant lights with metallic interiors, positioned above the kitchen island or integrated dining area. Custom lighting features can be also used to highlight specific areas or create mood lighting. This includes under-cabinet lighting, interior cabinet lighting, or even LED illuminated shelving. Keep window treatments sleek and minimal with motorised blinds, Roman shades, sleek Venetian blinds, wooden shutters or personalised Uete blinds. Evoke feelings of welcome by including comfortable seating options. Upholstery options include natural linen, velvet or leather, featuring tufted backs and button or nail head trims. Additional furniture pieces include elegant display cabinets or hutches with glass doors, interior lighting, antique mirrored details and decorative mouldings. A built-in upholstered banquette seat, and a luxe bar cabinet or bar trolley with ornate handles or decorative carvings. Keep accessories to a minimum, opting for just a few curated accents. Ideas include a stunning statement vase with tall-reaching foliage or branches. And decorative elements like a built-in wine rack or wine cellar and a custom coffee station. Thank you so much for watching. We trust you feel inspired to incorporate some of these luxe kitchen styling tips into your home. Please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. We look forward to sharing how to decorate traditional style kitchens next. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.